Hi students, welcome to Witchcom YouTube channel. So SRM JE, there are lot of queries in my Telegram group or on my YouTube channel or somewhere in the my blog spot. If you are visiting for first time in the Witchcom YouTube channel, kindly subscribe and press bell icon so that you can get the all notification. So lot of queries, lot of confusions about many people whether to join SRM or what are the drawbacks, and many of them are not knowing the fees also. So I will tell you everything about the SRM. And before proceeding further, now phase 2 counseling schedule is released. I think most of you are aware and you got mail also. So for the round 2, it is going to be started from the 15th July and 16th. Choice filling will be given. So that will be the main criteria. And there is a lot of variation in the cutoff rank, especially KTR campus. So in the SRM, the most reputed campus is KTR campus, and that also for the famous for the computer science only. Okay, so there is a lot of fluctuation in the cutoff, especially I'm talking about the computer science. So if you want to know something about the any institution, any educational institution, any BTech college, engineering college, so first you can check with the cutoff of the computer science. With that you can assess the complete situation of that institution. Okay, so that I am going to cover in the future part of this video. So watch till the last so that you should not miss the few minutes you are spending on this YouTube channel. During this will give you a complete guidance about your career. So coming to the choice filling, so you have to completely dependent on yourself and the circumstances you wanted for the future purpose also. So these 2 days before giving the choice filling, think twice and thrice and discuss the matter which I am going to tell you now, and with your parents, with your friends, those who settled in their life, then you can give you the choice filling. So allotment letter will be given on the 18/7 and 19 to 22 you have to pay the fee. So coming to the fee and how much it is refundable, how much it is non-refundable, that also I will be telling you. So here we are in the complete. See, you can check the website of the SRM. Okay, so here first of all there are many campuses, KTR, RMP, VDP, NCR, AMR, HY, and 3G. But the most prominent is KTR. So I suggest all of you, if you are joining, then go for the KTR campus only during choice filling. In that also, the computer science last year around 1700 students are recruited in the computer science only. So you will be the part of the nearly 17,000. So in that KTR campus also, computer science also, there is a lot of fluctuation in the cutoff. So why? Because the situation is changing day to day. This exam is conducted so many phases just to take the advantage of postponement of the JEE means third and fourth phase. So as soon as the JEE means third and fourth phase is postponed and date was not at all declared, so many students applied to this SRM IST. So after application, they have conducted the exam also successfully. They got the score also. So now the situation is changed. So when everything was uncertain, nothing was certain whether the exam will be conducted in August, September, or in the July. So that time many people gave the exam and got the result. Somebody made the choice filling and taken admission in the first phase also. So that time automatically cutoff will be very low ranks. That means that time around it was 5,000, nearby 5,000. Somebody got the 1,400 also fee, 1,400 also computer science. Okay, especially KTR campus. So and that also computer science I am talking about now. After the announcement of the JEE mains examination, both phase so close, and some people are still not sure that they will be clearing the JEE mains of third and fourth phase. But number of students interested in the SRM now drastically gone down. So because of this, now expected cutoff will be, if you get the 18,000 rank also, definitely you are going to get the seat. So but whether you have to see, many people are having a confusion about the fees also, that also I will tell you. So out of the 1,10,000, you can clearly see registration fees is 10,000, which is non-refundable. So and remaining 5,000, one time first year, one time non-refundable and non-transferable, clearly written registration fees of 10,000, and for the fees, annual fees of less than, more than the 1 lakh. If your annual fees, the actually I don't think any program is there less than the 1 lakh. So you have to pay 1 lakh 10,000. This is the 10,000 registration fees and 1 lakh as a tuition fees. Now see here, there is a lot of people thinking that, for example, if I am still the starting talking about the BTech. So BTech artificial intelligence and business system and partnership with the TCS computer science plane and big data analysis, artificial intelligence with machine learning, blockchain, cloud computing. So many specifications are there. So everything it was it green, in the green it is written as a 2,50,000 in bracket A, and it is specially only tuition fees. All of you remember, it is only tuition fees for the KTR campus. And here you can check what do you mean by A. The fee with SRM JE merit scholarship. So rank based tuition fees. So the remaining students have to pay, those who are not getting the rank and good rank and they are not allotted with the any types of scholarship. So there are some subsidized campus fees also, because of the some areas the expenditure for the college authorities will be less, automatically they will be reducing the campus fees. So here 2,50,000 only for those who got the scholarship from the SRM. Other remaining students have to pay 3,50,000 for tuition fees. Other than this, so many other fees will be there: book fee, sports fee, that fee, this fee. So all of you think once and twice and thrice, not single time. So think again and again before joining, that whether this much of expenditure you will be able to make it or not. So this is all about the SRM, and so many campuses are there. If you feel that the college is good, but if it is nearby to my place, then you can join. Otherwise, you can wait for the JE mains and work hard for the JE mains, and you can at least join in IIT. If not IIT, at least you can join a NIT. So if you are confirmed that you will not be getting any type of seat, then you can go for the second phase. All the best. What type of videos you want, what type of queries you have regarding this, you can write to me in the comment section. See you. Bye bye.